we have need to take what, this editable form inputs, right? In editable we have make uh, we have take this editable form data, right? So for that first we have need to see the execution flow of the application, guys. Okay, so we have need to see the execution flow of this project. So be careful. Again I'm going to now this discussion is for what, this module, right? We have need to work on this module, right? We have need to work on this area. So but functionality is different compared to other module. This functionality is different, guys. Little bit concentration is need, and the person is asking what, I want to see the message, right? I want to see the message. Whenever I will click that, it will redirect to whom, this view. Similarity is there in this concept, little bit that question similarity is there. Okay, but I'm not going to implement these things in that like that only. Okay, so little bit similarity is there, concentrate on that. Based on that, what methodology you can implement it in your application, right? In your application you can able to implement it. Okay, so let's see that. Okay, let's see that. First we will see the execution flow of the application, right? So our what is that, think about that. This is the editable form, right? Editable form means what, guys? So this is what, view all data is there, right? Like this, we will give what, one link here. We will give what, one link to end user, right? Employee edit link we will give, right? So what is that, what is that? Like this our form will be like this only, right? So think about that. This is what, our editable component. Okay, na? This is what is that, employee. This is what, employee. What is that, employee? Employee. What is that, list? Employee list, right? Employee list component. Employee list component dot what is that, HTML, right? This is what employee list HTML component is there. Okay, na? So what is our requirement based on that primary key, right? Think about that key. What is that? This is what, 101. 101 is there. 101 is there. 102 is there, right? 102, 101, 102, 10, 103, 10. What is that? 104, right? This is the data, right? Based on this data, what we will do now, we have need to edit the record, right? We have need to edit the record. For that we will give what, one input. This is the link miss button. We will give the end user, what is that, edit button, right? Edit button. We will give the edit button to what, end user, right? Edit button. So this is nothing but what, edit button. Edit button. This is nothing but what, edit button, right? EDIT. This is nothing but what, edit button. This is nothing but what, edit button, right? Whenever end user will click on this one, okay, so this one will think about that. If end user want to edit what, 101 record, right? 101 record. So it will go to request, will go to where it will go to what, employee hyphen list, right? Employee hyphen list component, right? Component dot ts, right? Employee hyphen list component ts. Inside that we will write one method, right? Inside that what we will do now, guys, we will write the method. What method? Just I'm writing what is that, so so edit so edit, right? It will take what is that, id number, right? It will take what is that, number, right? Number. After taking this number, right, it will navigate to what, it will navigate to what, edit id, right? This edit id. So for that, to navigating in this method only, we will call what is that, router dot what is that, navigate, right? Navigate. Inside this navigate we will pass that what, inside this navigate argument we will pass what, just we will pass this edit, right? Edit. Don't worry, at the time of practical we will see that, but I'm giving first what, execution flow. Edit, right? Edit edit, right? Edit comma, just what is that? 101, right? 101. 101 ID number will come, right? Based on this one ID number, based on that ID number, right? Then our application will call what? Then our application will call what? Then our application will call what? See that, okay? See this one. Our application will call what? Student edit component, right? Student, we already created this component, right? Employee edit component, right? Employee edit component will call, right? Employee edit component will call, right? Inside that, based on that employee edit component, what is that? Inside that edit component, what is that? We will give what? One form, right? One form to end user, right? End user, there all fields are there. There, what is that? All fields are there, guys, okay? All fields are there. What is that? Input, all input fields here. After then updation, right? We will give what? Update button. Update button, right? Just think about that. Name is there. Name is there. PWD, just PWD, just dummy form I'm creating, guys, okay? So now, based on that ID, right? Based on that ID, what will happen now? Then this read parameter, right? This parameter will, our application will read it, okay? This request will come to here, okay? It means where it will come, in which class? Which class? Now the class name is what, guys? The class name is what? Is to sorry, employee, employee hyphen, what is that? Edit dot component dot ts, right? Edit dot component ts, right? Based on that ID, this form will be open, right? Inside that service, get one record in the here in the employee component, we will call one service method, right? Service method, we will call here, what is that? Service method. Service dot, what is that? Get one, we will define this method, okay? Get one employee. First we will get the employee. First we will get the one employee. Based on that what? ID number, right? Based on that ID number, then this, based on this ID number, our application will hit what? Our application will hit what? Employee service class, right? Based on this one, our application will what? Employee service class, right? So employee service class, what is the employee hyphen, what is that? Service.ts, right? Service.ts, that class will call. Based on that, what is that? HTTP methodology, right? Based on that, what is that? HTTP methodology. HTTP methodology dot get, right? Get, we will call that method, right? Get, like just, what is that? /1 comma, sorry, yeah, because we are taking in the rest, what is that? URI one only, right? One comma, after then what is that? ID. Based on that, what it will hit the what? Our REST application, right? Based on this one, it will hit the our REST application, right? Our REST application. After hitting the REST application, right? It will return back again. It will return back again. What is that? What is that? Observable data, right? Means some data. Some data will return. Observable data, right? Observable data. Employee, right? It will return back to whom? Our what? Our service class, right? Our service class. Again, our service class will return back to whom? Service, what is that? Editable component, right? Editable component ts, right? Ts, this is not a test, guys, okay? This is my mistake. Ts, okay? Here, what is that? Then what we will do now, we will subscribe this data, right? We will subscribe, means subscribe, we will read that this data in what? Employee edit component ts, right? We will subscribe that data, right? Subscribe the data from the service class, okay na? After then, based on this one, what will happen? This form will return, right? This form will return, okay? After returning this form, right? Whenever we will update, whenever we will click the, after when we will get this form, right? After getting this form, what is that? Whenever we will click on that update button, right? Update button, whenever we will, after filling this form, whenever we will click on the update button. After clicking on the update button, right? After clicking on the update button, what will happen next now? So again, we will give the what? Again, we will give the employee. What is that? In the update employee one method, right? Update employee one method. Again, we will give what? Update employee method. Update employee method, right? Update employee method, right? Inside that we will write the logic. What is that? So sorry, update the employee method, right? In the employee object we will pass it, right? After passing that, it will again hit to whom? It will again employee service class. It will hit to our application, will hit again. What is that? Employee service class, right? There we will perform what? There we will perform what? Update operation, right? Update operation like HTTP put, right? To updating the data in the rest in what is that? HTTP you put, right? Here we will pass what is that? URL. Here we will pass URL. After then what is that? After then what? It will return what is that? Some data, right? Data means text data. After then what is that? After returning, but it will again return what? Observable memory, right? Observable memory, again it will return. Again our application will return what is that? Observable memory. Okay. So next what we will do now, after calling this one, what is that? After observable, we will again subscription, right? Subscription will come. There we will write the logic. Okay. Then we will get what? Again we will get what? List of what? List of what? Our this screen, right? List of what? Our this screen. Okay. This is our process. Okay. Na? This is our what? Next process is there. Okay. So it will take time. Okay. It will take little bit near about, I think my guess is it will take 2 hour time. Okay. But I will try to do the practical little bit I will do the fast. Okay. Little bit I will do because basic things in the project we already prepared, right? We already prepared. Okay. So let's move on and let's will develop it, the things. Okay. So these things I will copy paste. Some things I will copy paste also in the application. Okay. In the applications, some area code we already completed, right? Those areas code I will copy and paste it directly. So the our what is that? Our time will reduce. Okay. So first what we will do now, let's go to employee, right? Employee service class. Employee service class. Where the employee service class is there now? Yeah, open the employee service class. Okay. Inside that we will write one method, right? Employee service class, we will write one method. Okay. So there what we will do now, first we will get what? One record, right? First we have need to get what? One record. Before doing that these things, okay? Before doing these things, just I want to add what is that? Where list, go inside that list, right? List dot what is that? Employee HTML. Open this one, open this file. Okay, so next what we will do now, guys, in the option, right? Use the call span, right? Call span 2. Make this one as a 2 because on the page, right? On the page, right? Operation, I'm going to add edit also. I'm going to add edit also, right? So same things, right? I'm copying and pasting this one. Okay. I'm copying these things and pasting the down only. And I will do some changes. Now I pasted, right? I copied and I pasted. Okay. So here button is there, right? Here button danger I taken. Here I will take what is that? Success. To change the color. Okay. Success. Okay. So here is still what I will do now, just remove this one. Okay. After writing the method I will take. Okay. I will take after writing the method I will do that one. Okay. Here I'm taking what is that? Edit, right? Edit, right? So now come to browser, just refresh your application now. So edit is there, but the button color is not changed, right? Success my, yes, U double C E double S, right? Now save it. see, edit button is came, right? Here delete button, here what? Edit button is there, right? Whenever, so our requirement is whenever we will click here, right? One record I need, right? One form I need, okay? One form will open here only, okay? One form will open here only. So now let's move on, okay? Let's move on, okay? So for that, what we will do now, come inside that, what is that? Employee service. First come inside that, what? Employee service, right? Inside this employee service, get one record. Get one, what is that? Get one employee. Get one employee, right? Get one employee, okay. So inside this one, what we will do now, just this dot, right? This dot HTTP, this dot, what is that? HTTP dot get, right? Get, okay. So write get. After then what we will do now, inside that we will write the logic, okay? Inside this method we will write the logic. What is that? Dollar symbol, open bracket, curly bracket, close, right? This dot, right? URL. What is a base URL, right? Base URL, fine. So after then what is that? Slash, what is that? Come in the REST application. So I need what? One record. Only one record we have need. So for that, what is that? Get type, right? This one is one record, right? So fetching one record. So ID, right? One. We are taking the URI of what? One. Okay, now come inside that. Come inside that, paste it. One we are taking. After then we have need to send what? We have need to send what? ID also, right? We have need to send what is that? ID also. After then what we will take? Dollar symbol, fine. So here what we will do now? ID, right? We will pass this one. Oh, sorry. We have need to take what is that in the argument, right? In the argument ID also. Sorry. ID colon what is that? Number. Okay. So this ID we will pass here. Okay. After passing that, okay. After passing that, what we will do now? It will return what? Employee object. Okay. Because one record it will return. So for that, where we will store that record? In the observable memory, right? In the observable memory, right? Which kind of data we will store? Which kind of data we will store? Employee, right? We will store employee, right? So now fine. So but it's asking to return, right? So whenever we will take a return type, okay. So now I taken what? Return, but still we are getting what? Error. Why we are? So here we are calling the get method. So we have need to what? Use the generic type here also, right? Now things is completed. So now in the service class, to fetching one record, we whatever operation we have need, we completed, right? We completed now. So but employee list component, some changes we have need, some things we have need to do. What? To navigate our what? To navigate our what? But before doing that, so we have go inside one more time. What is that? App routing module TS class. Okay, app routing module TS class. Okay, where the, yeah, open this one. Okay, open this one. Okay, I already wrote this much code. Okay, so do one more things. Okay, so now what we will do now? Take path, right? Take path. Okay, oh sorry, take path. After taking this path, right? After taking this path, next what we will do now, guys? What we will do now? After taking edit, right? So what is the component? What is the component path we will give? Edit slash edit, right? Come in the diagram only. Slash edit, right? I already at the time of explanation only I given this one, this area, right? Slash edit, right? So here we will specify that one, okay, right? We will specify that one only, right? So but based on that we have need to send the ID also, right? So we have need to send the ID also. So next what we will do now? Here edit, 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 oh sorry, edit, edit, edit slash colon ID. We will read the ID as a dynamically, right? We will read the ID as a dynamically. After then what we will do now? After component, right? Component, which component we will call? Employee edit component, right? Employee edit component. employee edit component, employee edit component. Now fine, the things is completed, right? So next what we will do now, just now app routing model things is completed. So come inside that, what is that? Employee list component, right? Come to employee list component, because based on that this data is showing, what is that? Based on that employee list component, right? This information is there in what? Employee list component, right? So come inside that, what is that? Employee list component, right? Inside employee list component, what is that? Open the list component ts, right? Inside that just write one method, just write one method. What is that? So what is that? Edit. So edit, right? So edit, okay fine. So I'm writing what? So edit. Inside that argument I will pass what? Argument, okay na? Inside this argument, what is that? Number. I'm passing this number, right? After passing this number, what is that? Just I'm calling what? This router navigator. See, I already explained, right? What is that? See, what is that? Router navigator. Based on that edit means what is that? URL plus what is that? ID. URL plus ID. Already just in the app router also I passed it. Okay. So we will navigate it. Okay. This dot what? This dot what is that? Router, right? Router dot what is that? Navigator. Navigate, right? We will navigate it. After then what we will do now? Inside this navigate, we will pass that one. What is that? Edit. 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 After then we will pass the argument ID, right? ID. That's it. Okay. These things be completed now. Okay. So where these things be completed now, guys? Inside that what? Inside that what? Employee list component. Okay. Employee list component. So now come to our what? Employee edit component. Some code we have need to write it. Okay. So come inside that what? Come inside that what? Edit, right? Edit. So where we will go inside that employee edit component, right? Come inside that what? Employee edit component. Come inside that what? Employee edit component. Open the employee edit component ts, right? Inside that what we will do now, guys? Same like, right? Same like how we are doing the in the previous component, private, but here we will activate one more things. Okay, but here what is that? Service colon what is that? Employee service, right? EMPLOY, employee service, right? I'm taking what? Employee service. Okay, after taking this employee service, what we will do now next? What is that? Again one more activate, right? Activate router also we have need to take here. Okay, private, what is that? Activate router colon what is that? Activate router, right? Activate router. Now fine, another one more routing, right? We have need to take, what is that, guys? One more dependency injection, right? What is that? Router colon private. We have need to take the private, right? Private router. Fine. Now till now things is completed, guys. Okay. So next what we will do now? Next what we will do now? We will create, what is that? Object. What is that? Employee model object. Oh, here I'm creating, what is that? Employee colon employee sorry new employee. Okay, we are creating the object of what? Our model class, right? After creating this model class, okay, so what we will do now? We have need to take the ID also, right? ID one number, right? Number, right? These two data variable we will create inside the, what is that? In what? Employee edit component. After then come inside that, right? Come inside that what? Come inside that what is that? Ng on init. Okay. So here what we will do now, this dot colon id, right? This dot colon id. We will take the read the id. Okay. First we will read the id. After then what is that? Equal to this dot, right? In this memory, right guys, come here. From here, right, employee list component memory, we are reading that data in what? Employee edit component. Okay. So for that purpose, what we are taking now? Activate routing for the reading purpose from different component to different component, right? From different component to different component. Okay. So now fine. Okay. So what we will do now? Activate routing dot snapshot param we will call. Okay. Because we will read that what is that here? This is the parameter, right? This is the parameter. This is nothing but what is the navigator parameter. If we want to read this data, one method is their parameter. We will call that method. Okay. We will call this method. Okay. So what is that? Activate router dot snapshot colon param, right? Not colon dot params, right? Dot params. Okay. So inside this one, we will read the ID. What is the ID? This ID, right? Already see here we are storing. We will read that ID. We will read the ID dynamically. Okay, fine. Now, next, what is that? After reading that, right? After reading that, we are reading the data from the what? Service class. So for that, we have need to serve in the service class. We are exposing the data using what is the what observable memory. So to read that data from the observable memory, we have need what? Subscriber, right? We have need subscriber. So for that, what we will do now? This dot service already service being taken in the constructor, right? The this dot service dot what is that? We will call the get one method is there, right? Get one method we defined just now. Okay. So inside that what we will do now? This dot id. We will pass this id. We will pass this id. Okay. After passing that, we will call what? Subscriber object, right? After taking this subscriber object, what we will do now next? What we will do now next? We will read the data, right? We will use what? Lambda expression. Okay. Inside this lambda expression, what we can do now? Oh, it's my mistake. Not here. This one also no need. It's my mistake. Okay. Inside the subscriber we have this, right? Now data lambda expression. Now what we will do now here? Here we will this dot, right? This dot, what is that? Employee, current employee equal to what is that? Data. Okay. So now till now the things is completed now, guys. Okay. You want to see that? Come to browser. Come to browser. Click the edit button. Nothing message is coming now. Action is performed. Oh, it's my mistake. Form UI, form. No. Our mistake only. Okay. So come in the service class, right? Come here. What is that? Come inside that. What is that? Employee list, right? Come inside. No. Come in the list, right? Where the list? Employee. Yeah. This one, right? Employee list HTML. Open this one. Open this one. Okay. Here we have need to call that method, right? What is that? Click event CLI click. Okay. Click equal to what is that method name? What is the edit method name, guys? What we are taking?
Show editor.
Show edit, right? Where it is employee service.
In employee list, show editor.
Sorry. Yeah. In the service class I wrote, right?
In employee list, show edit method is there. Employee list component.ts.
Hmm. Yes. Employee list. Correct. Yeah, this one, right? Actually, my brain is stopping to work, right? Okay, so what we will do now? Here we will pass this one. Okay, again, what is that? Same. Now, fine. Now come again, come to browser, right? Refresh it. Yeah, now click the edit button. See, employee edit work, right? Employee edit work. So again, what we have need to do now, guys? We have need to design the form, right? To updating the what for the updating purpose. So I'm not going to design the form. I'm just going to copy the code already we completed, right? Already in same code we will copy and paste it. Okay, nothing more than we will reduce what is that? Reduce the time also and my burden also. Okay, so now fine. So here now I'm closing everything. Okay, because I'm getting confused now. So okay, so what we will do now? Come in the employee list, right? No. Create, right? Come inside that create. What is that? HTML. Open this HTML, right? So what I'm going to do now? Just I'm copying this total code, right? I'm copying this total code, and after copying this one, what I'm going to do now? Edit, right? Inside the edit, open the HTML, right? Remove this one. I'm removing this one and I pasted H and everything. Okay, I will do the some changes need. Okay, some changes we have need. Okay, here some changes we have need. Okay. So now fine. So next what we will do now, guys? Okay, here what is that? Welcome to what? Edit form. Welcome to employee edit. EDIT. Okay, come to browser. Hey, what is there? 1 minute. Create. Okay, I know that. Okay, here, what is that? Just remove. When need, then we will put it. Okay. Now, yeah. Now I think the things will work. Still, what is that problem? Message, right? Okay, no problem. Still, I know that why these things is giving problem. Yes, it's coming, right? Register here, click on the edit. We are getting, right? The data we are getting, right? Whenever see that, guys. Okay, register button, right? I want what to edit this Raj data, right? So click on the edit button. See, we are getting the employee to what is that? Welcome to employee edit form, and those data is coming like that, right? See that all data is coming or not in the drop down. People, please give the response, right? We are getting right, and it's look like a real time work or not, guys? Please. It's I'm giving what total reality or not. Please use the chat box, guys. I want everyone response. Reality I'm giving or not, guys. Reality I'm giving. Okay, like that we are doing work in the company. Okay, just one word I will say every time. I'm not running institution. Just I'm delivering good thing to you people. Okay. So now, thank you, and guys. So let's move on. Okay, next what is that? Next what is that? Next what is that? Next what is that? Come our what diagram. Whenever we will click the update button, right, it will hit the database. Sorry, restful, right? It will hit what? Our restful. Okay, so now here what is that? Click the update button. Update, right? I'm updating the data. Update, right? Now next, okay, so what we will do now next? What things we will do now, guys? Next things what we will do now, go inside that, what is that? Employee edit list component, right? We will go inside that, what is that, guys? We will go inside that, what? Employee edit list component ts, right? List component ts. But before going that, we will go inside that service class. Okay, we will go inside that, what? Service class. Okay na? So let's go first, what? In the service class. Okay, let's go inside that, what? Service class. Within the 1 minute meeting will end, guys. Okay, reconnect yourself. Now we are about to complete our application. I think it will take just I thought that it will take, what is that, 2 or 3 hour time, but no, within the 30 to 40 minutes it will complete now. Okay na? So now because we copy pasted the things, okay na? Because we copy pasted the things, okay, because the our burden is reducing now. Okay, now our burden is reduced now. Okay, so next what we will do now, employee service ts. Okay, go inside that